guys, my name's Edric and welcome to SH Jewellery. One of the most common questions that people shopping for engagement rings get stuck with is the design to go for. At SH Jewellery, we try to make it as simple as possible and we break them down into the different design element categories. To start off, the most common design is a solitaire design. Basically, a solitaire means it's just a single diamond on the ring, and the reason that this design is popular and is chosen is that all the focus is on the center diamond itself. The next type of design we categorize as timeless. For people who want a little bit more detail on the band, a single diamond in the middle, which is still the showcase piece of the ring, and a few smaller diamonds on the edge, just to brighten up the band. This category does expand into quite a lot of variations of designs as well. The next type of design that is quite common is called a halo, whereby you have a surrounding layer of diamonds around the center stone. So these two pieces here are a good representation of that. Halos can come in all sorts of diamond shapes. So the two examples that I've got here is an emerald cut and a pear cut, but it can come for different shapes such as round, radiance, and any other shape that you can think of. The next common category for engagement ring designs is the Trilogy ring, and that's a classic, which means there are just 3 stones on the ring itself, representing the past, the present, and the future. Some modifications of this category can also include smaller diamonds on the edge there, so have a look out for those, because some of them are actually very, very beautiful. And the other category that we also have here is called the modern category, and this category is designed with the intent of standing out, looking different, and generally looking brighter than other pieces that you see out there. So also have a browse of that category online. Of course, with designs, each category can span out into its different sections, so feel free to have a browse through the catalogue. If you've got any questions at all, our diamond and jewellery specialists are here to help. So